This is in support of the current drought situation. The government has activated the response mechanism to save lives and livelihood of the community of the arid and semi-arid. This is not an isolated launch. There are a number of other launches which is taking place. There's a launch in Wajir and other part of arid and semi-arid counties. Today we have about 4,480 assorted foodstuff, as well as 6 water boozers meant for Garissa County to support in all the sub-counties within this county. In the long-term measures, the government has put a number of measures in terms of addressing the water shortage in the arid and semi-arid counties, as well as the support of the agricultural sector. We have also disbursed last week 870 million to arid and semi-arid counties to support 1,380 households in these 8 counties. Thank you.
Mbali na kile chakula ambacho kilikuwa kikipatikana kila mwezi, serikali imekusudia kuongezea mgao huo wa chakula ili kuhakikisha kwamba miongoni mwa familia zilizoongezeka na dhiki hii ya njaa, hata wao watapata chakula cha kutosha katika miezi hii miwili mitatu ambayo inatarajiwa kwamba baadaye mvua zitanyesha.
My call to the non-state actors and other partners, as well as the national government and the county government, is let us keep on monitoring the drought situation and try to minimize at least the impact of the drought situation to the affected communities. For us as Kenya Red Cross, we always there for the community, and we always supporting the community in terms of the food distribution, hygiene items, that is the wash items, as well as medical and nutritional support. So.